I'm making up a song. What do you think I'm doing? I might just have to steal this now.
That's my favorite one.
Shabbat! Shabbat! Angel. Look at this one. This is so good.
Poke my eye out.
It's so good. What are those? Those are angels and the shepherds. Doesn't that look awesome? It's so bad.
Oh, shoot.
Here we go. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Oh, baby.
Hallelujah.
Oops.
Was Mary just breastfeeding the baby Jesus? What?
Hey, what are you doing? Stop
You're
it.
in our way. Oh no, she's not breastfeeding him, she's just holding him. Okay.
Whoa, Bam in his boobs. He pooped. Oh, wait, that's his ribs.
Oh.
The perfect crime.
It's the 3 wise men.
Tiger's trying to get Batman. Oh no!
They see the star.
What's gonna
They're
happen
talking to Herod.
I looked at this one.
And they're still talking to him. They look like Mayan priests.
Are you looking at Jesus again?
Duh.
Stop. Those ones are boring.
No, these are great. You're boring.
Catwoman.
I like how Mary's blonde in all of these.
Oh no.
Mary was obviously blonde, y'all.
Whoa, it's like a 4-tiered chess game. Albert. Bad boy, why are you like half naked?
Robin?
He is. I mean, yeah.
They have a lot of stuff.
Crunch! Pow! Oh, oops.
Where am I? I'm in space.
Look at this one.
Gay. Put it on. Oh yeah. He's like, it's like the intern in the boss. Like, he's like,
It
"Oh,
is.
it's like, how you doing, Mr. Batman, sir?" Look at this beautiful beach.
In here.
Here, let me put the ones we looked at over here.
World history.
This is a scenic public tour, and I'm looking at this one right now.